video, ladies and gentlemen, from your left, the Patrouille Suisse together with the Super Constellation. The second overfly of the two sections, the Patrouille Suisse together with the Super Constellation, the Patrouille Suisse in a triangle shape. Originally operated by the U.S. Military Air Transport Service. Of the Patrouille Suisse and the old lady, 60 years old lady Super Constellation, one of the most beautiful aircraft around the world.
Now, as you keep those cameras ready, there, ladies and gentlemen, is the Breitling Super Constellation. This is the Curtis Wright R3350 engine, 18-cylinder radials, producing 2,800 horsepower, 3250 with turbo compound. And I don't like traveling across the Atlantic to see it too. Breitling's Super Constellation.